If YouTube TV isn't showing new episodes of your favorite shows, it's usually caused by DVR settings, home area issues, or app glitches. Here's how to fix it. Step 1. Check your DVR settings, open YouTube TV, and go to the Library tab. Make sure the show is added to your library. YouTube TV only displays new episodes for shows you've added or subscribed to record. If the plus icon isn't selected, new episodes won't appear. Step 2. Verify your home area. Open your profile, go to Settings, then Area. Make sure you're connected to your correct home Wi-Fi. YouTube TV relies on your home area to show local channels and newly aired episodes. If you're outside your home area or on a hotspot, new episodes may not show up. Step 3. Check your DVR recordings. New episodes might already be recorded but listed under a different season or title. Browse your library carefully or use the search bar to find the latest episode. Networks sometimes rename episodes, which can change where they appear. Step 4. Restart the YouTube TV app. Restarting refreshes your library and syncs new episodes. On mobile, swipe away the app and reopen it. On smart TVs and streaming devices, return to the home screen and relaunch the app. Step 5. Update the app. Make sure your YouTube TV app is updated to the latest version. Outdated apps may fail to display new episodes correctly. Following these steps ensures new episodes appear as soon as they're available for you to watch. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.